Turmeric tea has a reputation as a miracle drink. People often ask me why it's so popular. Um, well, it's known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce chronic inflammation, a common pain point for many. But just imagine soothing your joints with a cup a day. Now, here's the kicker. Turmeric tea is pretty easy to make. Start with fresh turmeric or its powdered form if that's all you have. It's accessible, just like grabbing that morning cup of joe. Heat water, add turmeric and whisk. But wait, here's a pro tip. Add a dash of black pepper to your turmeric tea, and it enhances turmeric's absorption by up to 2,000%. Yep, that's 2,000. Such a small addition can dramatically increase its effectiveness. And then definitely a step you don't want to skip. Turmeric tea might even help boost your immune system thanks to its antioxidant content. This golden elixir can be your go-to during flu season. Imagine warding off those sniffles with a delicious drink. Your future self, snot-free, will thank you. Concerned about digestion issues? Turmeric tea might be your savior. It aids digestion, reducing bloating and gas-related discomfort. Just picture yourself feeling light and easygoing after meals instead of clutching your belly. That's a relief. We all crave.
Okay, and
for those struggling with skin issues, turmeric tea is also rumored to promote healthier skin. It purifies your blood, potentially leading to clearer skin from the inside out. Say goodbye to expensive creams that never deliver and try this golden glow method. Dealing with stress and anxiety, turmeric tea can be relaxing. With a warm cup in hand, you can unwind and greet calmness more easily. Imagine sipping stress away, one soothing gulp at a time. It's like a personal therapist, if you will. But here's something you should know. Turmeric can be a bit tricky to clean if it stains. Yes, the vibrant yellow can stick around, so be cautious with your favorite mugs and clothes. Clean up promptly to avoid wearing yellow unintentionally. Weight Watchers, rejoice. Turmeric tea might help in maintaining healthy weight. It doesn't work miracles, but can assist by improving digestion and metabolism. Think of it as an ally, not the sole hero in your fitness story. Moderation is key. For those late night thinkers who can't sleep, turmeric tea's properties might induce a good night's sleep. And imagine settling in bed, your mind at peace, knowing a cup of turmeric tea might ease you into dreamland. A restful sleep awaits. Important note, turmeric might interact with certain medications. Always check with your healthcare provider if you're on meds or have health conditions. It's a powerful root, and making sure it's right for you is crucial. So yes, turmeric tea might seem like a fad, but with these benefits, it certainly earns its stripes. Just picture a cup of tea that addresses multiple health concerns. It's a small investment with potentially large returns for your well-being. Give it a shot.